Today we find the answer of the question, which is more dangerous, DC or AC. So with an example we can easily understand what is more dangerous. So let's see. We consider 20 volt AC supply and 220 volt DC supply. So now for 220 volt AC, we know that for a sinusoidal voltage VR will be V0 by root 2. So here V0 is the peak value of voltage. We know that. Here VR is the RMS value of voltage. Measuring instruments based on the heating effect of AC are generally calibrated in terms of RMS values. So here the effective value is V0 by root 2. So from this line we can easily understand that when we speak about 220 volt AC supply, we mean its RMS value. So the peak value of 220 volt AC supply is, from here we know V0 equal to VR into root 2. So the value of RMS is 220 into root 2. If we calculate this, we will get 311 volt. So that is the value of 220 volt AC supply. But 220 volt DC supply remains constant at every time. It remains constant every time. So we can now say that 220 volt AC supply is more dangerous than 220 volt DC supply. So AC is more dangerous.